If you could transform your whiskey with the snap of your fingers into the best tasting whiskey you've ever had, would you? Well, of course you would. That's how you know you're in the right place right now. In this video, I'll be showing you what this elegant trick is, how any spirit enthusiast can easily transform their whiskey using it, giving you that epic flavor you're looking for without breaking the bank either. The best thing is, most people have no idea how easy it is to elevate their bourbon game to beyond pro level. I'm willing to bet most of you have never even seen what we're about to do in a local bar setting. And the best thing is, you'll be able to do this the first time. Before the night's out, your friends will be looking at you like you're some kind of whiskey guru. What we're doing to our whiskey today won't be hard at all, and in fact, with a whiskey smoking kit, it'll be pretty easy. These types of kits can be found in various forms on Amazon. Some of them are more sophisticated and some are less so. Some will include cold stones or several different types of wood chips. Most all of them will come with a burner, but the one thing the kits don't come with is fuel for that burner. You'll have to make a separate order of butane for it, so don't forget that. Some time back, I was in the same place you are, chasing better whiskey and worse women, down dark alleyways being ambushed by seedy bourbons all dressed up in fancy labels, trying to lighten my wallet while my sensibilities were otherwise vacated. Through no fault of my own, you can be certain. It was during one of these forays that I run into a fella who runs by the moniker Two-Ply. Yeah, that Two-Ply. He was bestowed this handle on account of his apparent lack of resilience, his fragility or otherwise dubious constitution. Two-Ply, well, he sees himself as an idea man. Of course, not all ideas are good ideas, and he was a purveyor of a lot of the not good ideas. However, reality being what it is, even a blind chicken gets a piece of corn once in a while, and hidden amongst the multitude of debatable suggestions was a pearl. That being to smoke your whiskey in the glass.
Take your spirit of choice and add it to the glass until it is 1/3 to a half full.
Cover your glass with the burner base. It works both ways, so choose the side that best seals your glass. Add your screen to your burner and then add the chips of your choosing. Strike your flame and toast the chips for about 10 seconds or so. This is the perfect time to reach over there and click that like button. Set your flame aside and cover the chips with the lid. Let it sit for about 3 minutes. Now while it's sitting, this is where the smoke is being infused into the spirits. So if you like it a little more or a little less smoky, you adjust your infusion time accordingly. This is where your experience will come to bear, so you're going to have to experiment a little bit to see what you really like. Now remove that lid and enjoy that added smoky hint. I told you this was going to be easy, and it's quite a presentation too. For those of you wondering, I found my favorite to be the cherry wood chips for about 2 minutes time. And there you have it, a nicely elegant alternative to tequila shots at the frat house. Being a reasonable person, I suggest you use a mid-grade spirit for your initial test run. Don't use your good stuff until you find out what kind of wood chip you'll find most enjoyable. The wood chips are the key to the flavor profile you'll be infusing into the spirit. If you already know that you enjoy your bourbon of choice served neat, then that is perfect. I love that you've already discovered your path. But if, on the other hand, you have it served neat because you think it's cool or it's manly or it shows some level of sophistication, then you're probably a fucking idiot, and I'm not talking to you. For the rest of us, if you'd like to learn the many different reasons that it's served the way it is, I cannot recommend highly enough a movie called Neat, The Story of Bourbon. You can find this presentation on Netflix or Amazon Prime, and it is fantastic. Nicely done, Two-Ply.